So hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we are going to do a very short and precise reading where I'm going to be covering up the question of what are the sudden changes that you're going to be experiencing in your life. There are going to be two different piles and you have to intuitively choose which pile calls to you. Okay. The first pile is going to be amethyst crystal. Okay. And the second is going to be, let's do the second as red jasper. Okay, this is the red jasper. So we have two different crystals. Okay, you can intuitively choose whichever calls to you. The first is the amethyst and the second is the red jasper. And I will start with amethyst. Okay, what are the sudden changes that you're going to be experiencing in your life? Okay, it's going to be a very timeless reading. So whenever you come up with this reading, you can intuitively choose and we can get started. Okay, let's see what is for pile number one who've chosen the amethyst crystal. What are the sudden changes that they're going to be experiencing? Okay, just a second. Let's see. I'm just going to clarify each and every card before I start giving you the guidance. Okay. So if you feel that you don't want to see the shuffling directly, just go ahead towards the reading. Okay. But let's see what are the sudden changes that the pile number one who've chosen amethyst they're going to be experiencing currently. Pile number one, amethyst. This transition period, okay, whichever transition period that you're in, the first thing that I'm picking up on, it's like you were trapped. Okay, there's an energy of you being trapped, there's an energy of you being in the energy where you are completely trapped, and eight of swords energy where you're feeling like there is no way out and you really want to get out of this clutter that you've put yourself into. Okay, I'm also getting an image of like jail. So it could also be a mental clutter that you've been there for the longest time, and now universe is going to allow you to come out of this clutter. Throughout this process, the first thing is your female friend or your girlfriend, your spouse, your best friend, your mother, your sister, a female figure with whom you're really close to, you are in the position where you're expressing your emotions to that person completely. That person is going to be there for you. Okay, that's the first thing that I'm getting, that you have support, and this is the person who's going to be there throughout this sudden change. What is the sudden change that's happening currently? You are healing your inner child. Till now you were in the process where you were continuously doing work, continuously taking action, continuously going from one place to another. You were running after a lot of action. You were continuously thinking that the only thing, your thought process was, if I'm going to take action, then only I'm going to be successful, then only I'm going to be able to accomplish what I wanted to accomplish. And there was constant running that was going on, and because of that you are not able to attract the right kind of opportunities, the right kind of people into your life. And now universe is like, stop running, there is support, there is guidance that's coming in for you. Okay, you are healing the energy of the inner feminine is getting healed. the mother wound is getting healed. Throughout this process, you're going to learn to nurture yourself, nurture your own self. इनफैक्ट इट्स लाइक आप नर्चर अभी भी कर रहे थे बट आप इंटरनली कंप्लीटली खुद को देख नहीं रहे थे of who you are and what kind of personality you are and what you deserve, but now you're going to experience that as well. There's an amount of slowness while I'm also doing the reading. I'm being pushed to be very slow, so there is some energy of slowness also that's going to come into your life. This process is not going to be easy, okay, because you do not have the habit of sitting down, you do not have the habit of experiencing calmness, you do not have the habit of just being, you have the habit of just continuously doing, okay, and now suddenly the energy is shifting to the energy of you just need to be with yourself, you just need to be in the present moment, you just need to experience the energy right now, okay. This is something that you are not used to, this is very new to you, this is very new to your own energetic system, okay. There will be doubts, there will be mental conflicts, there will be places where you are still conflicted at your mind level, where you do not know what to do ahead and which actions to take ahead, okay. But let me tell you, even if your mind is cluttered, even if your mind is not calm currently, there is an external support out there that's going to be guiding you, and you need to listen to that person, and that person is going to help you to navigate you throughout your healing process of healing the inner child, okay. I'm seeing that you're on the path of discovering your work, your career, you're on a path of discovering what are the next steps you can take so that you can level up, so that you can create much better things in your career. You are getting into the energy of emperor. Emperor is a person who has complete knowledge about his own skills. He's ready to build a business, he or she is ready to build a brand, okay. So you are in the position, you are in the process of becoming an emperor, where you know completely the complete, like you will understand your own USP of how to operate, what you want to do, what is your core personality, okay. So you're in a process of discovering that. This process is going to take roughly 5 months. After that is when slowly and steadily the clarity will come in, the answers will come in, the situations will work in your favor, but till then this process is not going to be an easy route to travel, okay. Suddenly you would be pushed to go around nature, do things which you used to enjoy during your childhood. You would want to spend more time with your friends, family members, or a female figure, specifically mother, grandmother energy that I'm picking up on, okay. You will be pushed to not completely always be in your head and your mind, and drop down the energy towards your heart space and nurture yourself, enrich yourself, figure out the richness into the life and bring that energy into your own life. uh, One more thing I just want to pick out. um, to come out of the conflicts, okay, to come out of your mental difficulties, your mental challenges, okay, you need to be out of your home. You need to, if you can travel, you can go out more often, and not be at home is going to be a plus point for you. Secondly, figure out ways so that you can spend your time more alone with yourself, whether it's with nature, whether it's with different localities, different environment. You need to change your environment. Okay, the moment you change the environment, it will be easy for you to drop into your feminine energy. It will be easy for you to nurture yourself. But that is going to be a constant trigger, it's going to be a constant trouble, and you have to come out of that in order to embrace this energy that's coming into your life, okay. What will be your next actions is that you don't have, you cannot I see that this energy where you want to do something, you want to create something, you want to create something of your own, but आप continuously create नहीं कर सकते जब तक आपका heart chakra completely healed ना है, completely balanced नहीं है. So right now what's happening is that your heart is getting healed, all of the hurt and pain is going to come out, there are going to be a lot of purges that you will will be experiencing during this period. And once that happens, once it's cleared completely, is then when you will have the energy to start something new. But before that, you would want be able to take actions throughout this period. Okay, I want to remove the last guidance for all of you. Okay, I have put the deck inside, I have not removed the deck, so just give me a second and I will remove the deck and we'll see what's the guidance for all of you. Yes. Okay, this is my handmade deck that I've made by my own self for my own guidance. For pile number one, who've chosen the amethyst, what's the last advice for them throughout the sudden changes that they're going to be experiencing? Eating habits are going to be changing also. For pile number one, eating habits are also going to be changing. It's not important for you to run behind consistency. Consistency is important, yes, but understand that adaptability is more important than consistency. For example, you have to practice exercise. Okay, it's not important that आप रोज 1 घंटा निकालो, बट अगर आप कुछ दिनों में जब भी आप बहुत बिजी हो, you're very worked up, you're completely occupied, but if you can even remove 15 to 20 minutes of you doing brisk walking, pranayama, breath work, meditation, exercise, leg exercise, arm exercises, 15 to 20 minutes, but you're continuously doing it. You're picking yourself up and even removing those 20 minutes in a day. It means you're being adaptable to your own schedule, your own day, and you're still not breaking the cycle and you're continuously forming that habit and you're continuously doing that. So it's important for you to in focus more on adaptability factor rather than consistency factor. Okay. And lastly, deep breathing. Can you see this? Pranayama, meditation, everything right now needs to slow down. That's the goal. Okay. One more card for pile number one. You are in the cycle of liberating yourself from all the mental conflicts that you've been having from last 9 years. Okay, this is the chance for you to liberate yourself, come out of that cycle and allow yourself to create something new which is more aligned with your true authentic self and which is something that you're meant to actually accomplish into your life. Okay, so you're liberating yourself, you're coming out of this suffering, you're coming out of this limitation and limited mindset that you've been having for a very long time. Okay, and you're going to allow that to happen. So yeah, that's the guidance for pile number one. These are the sudden changes that you're going to be experiencing into your life. Do let me know in the comment section how was it, how did it resonate, and please do give me a feedback. It really helps me to understand and connect to the collective's energy as well. I'm so grateful that you've showed up and watched the video. So now, before we go ahead, just want to say thank you, and you can go and follow me on Instagram. You can book a private session as well with me, and I'm going to be now moving towards pile number two, who have chosen the red jasper. Okay, let's see what's the guidance for all of you people who've chosen the red jasper. What are the sudden changes they're going to be experiencing in their life? What are the sudden changes that they're going to be experiencing in their life? People who've chosen red jasper. Okay, I'm getting an image of Holi. Of course, Holi is coming in very, very soon for all of us. In India, Holi is a very important festival that we celebrate. So, Holi, fire, smoke is something that's going to be very important for all of you. So, pile number two, what are the sudden changes that's happening? Fire, Holi, smoke, okay. So, pile number two, what are the sudden changes that they're going to be experiencing? Okay, we have got 4 cards. You've got Six of Pentacles, Four of Wands, Three of Pentacles, and the Knight of Cups. Okay. So what are you going to be having? What are the sudden changes that you're going to be experiencing? Your pile is a little confusing. Couple of things are happening for different people. I'm going to say all of those. Okay. I'm going ahead. Okay. Holi is going to be very significant for you, and around the Holi period or just after the Holi, things are going to be rapidly changing up for you. Rapidly. When I say rapid, I mean rapid. Okay. I'm seeing that you're going to be experiencing a wish fulfillment very, very soon. Okay, this wish fulfillment could be related to you getting love, you getting engaged, you finding the right partner, you finding the right people, you're getting your team members, your finances are increasing, you're getting more clients, you're getting more work, your work is getting improved, you're getting the recognition, different for different people. Okay, but your good karma is going to come back, you're going to get your good karma. Okay, there is a wish coming true for the collective, and this wish is something that you've been consciously waiting around for a long period of time. You've been wishing, you're doing your work, and now you've come into the energy of surrender already कि भाई भगवान मुझसे नहीं हो रहा है, अब मैं आपको दे दे रहा हूँ, आप देखो कैसे करना है, क्या करना है. So you already come into that energy of surrender, and now it's going to come to you. After Holi is when a wish is coming true for this collective. I'm seeing that your work is going to get increased. You're going to be meeting the right kind of people. You will be in the energy of celebrating and going out and going on lunch dates and dinner dates with your people around. Okay. Universe is saying that currently if you're going through a little bit of tough period, then you just need to know that you can do it. Either you can do it like it's a great weight on you, or you can do it like it's a part of a dance. And this is a quote by Ram Das. Okay, so choose. How do you want to go with it? How are you thinking about it? What is the way you want to go ahead? It's all about perspective. What perspective are you putting on yourself? What is the perspective that you're putting in this situation? And that is how you're going to be able to go ahead. So think about it. Okay, you are in the process of self mastery. Okay, you're gonna be, it's like you will experience a divine experience where you will literally feel like you are coming closer to your Ishta Devta, the god that you believe in, the universe, coming one with the universe. It's that deep that you're going to be experiencing in the span ahead of 3 weeks, 3 months is the period that I'm picking up for you guys. You guys have stopped running. Okay, this is a sign for people who've stopped running and they have just stood and they are like, okay, earthquake आ रहा है, tsunami आ रहा है, जो भी आ रहा है, I'm going to stand still, let God make the way for me, I have done my bit. That is the kind of energy that you're carrying on. Okay, just know that you do not need to worry anymore. Things are aligning for you. You've done your bit. And even if you're still constantly taking actions currently while watching this video, universe is like, please take a step back. Okay, universe is like, I'm going to make things work. You do not need to anymore put in so much of your energy into. I'm going to make things right for you. That is the energy of universe towards you. Okay, I just want to see a little bit more. What is it? What are the sudden changes that are going to be happening for pile number 2? Yeah, this is I don't have to go so much deep for this file. It's like answers are already there in front of me. You will be called to work with an association or an NGO or a school or a particular group of people. You will be inclined towards work with them. Okay, and you should go for it if you get an opportunity to do that. Okay, a community, it could be your own community that you belong to, anything. Okay, your friends are going to change. The people who are you are hanging out with, it's going to completely change. You're going to figure out some people are not thinking good about you, and it's going to be a little bit painful to accept the reality, but your friendships are changing. You're going to be burning some bridges. That is why I saw the fire and smoke while initially shuffling for your pile, because I was seeing smoke and I was seeing fire, then I was seeing Holi. And Holi itself, as a festival, Holika festival, is an energy where you're burning, um, and like you're releasing all of the dark energies, the dark self within you, and accepting the light ones, right? So universe is like all of those situations, relationships with those people who are sucking energy out of, it's not aligned with your soul purpose, your end goal. All of those people are going to be removed from your life. Your intuition is going to be increasing going ahead. uh, you will be called to move out of certain groups, friendships, members of the family. You will be closing out cycle with them, and going ahead after today, whenever you're watching this video, you will only be listening to your intuition and making decisions, and no more entertaining bullshit is the energy that I'm also picking up for your pile. Okay, I'm just going to remove the last advice for all of you. For pile number 2 who have chosen the red jasper, what's the advice for them during the sudden changes? You will be spiritually more you will be enlightening yourself spiritually. There will be a great amount of spiritual growth that you guys are going to be experiencing, where you're going to be experiencing divinity at the core of your own self. Okay, and you're going to be experiencing the divinity within your own self, and then you will be able to see the divinity around you, in people, in situations, in things, everywhere. Okay, so you're going to be recognizing that spark within you. Wow. Okay, before I end, a last shuffle for you guys. If you guys are asking when is the love of my life gonna come, okay, if you're single, it comes once you start embracing your own heart, and once you start, you have to drop into your own divine self. You have to drop into your own divinity. The moment you are embracing and honoring your own divinity is when the person enters into your life, is when the person comes into your life. After this process, few are going to be attracting your life partner energy. Yeah. So that's the guidance for pile number 2. I hope you enjoyed it. You got your guidance, you got the clarity. Do let me know in the comment section. And if you feel called to, then you can definitely book a private one-to-one session with me. The details are there in the description box below. You can go and follow me on Instagram as well. Have a great day. Take care of yourselves and I will see you soon. Until then, bye bye.